In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in WordPress. Whether you've accidentally made edits you're not happy with, or simply want to revert your site to a previous state, WordPress has built-in tools that make this process simple and efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate the platform to undo any changes or revisit earlier versions of your website. So, let's get started and take the stress out of managing your site updates. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where WordPress will authenticate your credentials, ensuring that only authorized users can access their respective accounts. Next, instead of entering a username and password manually, select the option to continue with Google. Using this method not only simplifies the login process, but also adds an extra layer of convenience if you already use Google services regularly. Now, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the appropriate account, the one linked to your WordPress site. It's important to select the correct account here to ensure you're working on the right website. After that, complete the authentication process and you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Quick Links section on the dashboard. You'll find this area helpful for accessing commonly used features quickly. From the options available, select Edit Site. This will take you directly into the site editing mode, where you can make changes or undo any recent edits. When the editing interface loads, click on your website. This action will activate the editing process, giving you full access to modify your site's content or design. If you've recently made changes that you want to undo, locate the Undo button at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. This button is your quick solution for reverting your site to its previous state without having to manually restore each element. Now, if you'd rather use a more detailed approach, WordPress also offers a revisions feature. To access it, look within the editing panel and click on the revisions option. This is particularly useful if you want to see a history of all your save points during your editing sessions. It allows you to go back to earlier versions of your site and choose exactly which changes to restore. To dive a little deeper, navigate to the Templates tab located in the right panel of the editing interface. Here you'll see a list of specific revisions sorted by save points. Select the revision you want to view. WordPress will display all the iterations starting from that chosen save point. This feature is incredibly helpful when you want to undo changes while keeping track of your site's progress over time, as it gives you full control over what gets restored. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now learned how to undo changes in WordPress, whether it's through the Undo button for quick fixes or the Revisions feature for more detailed restoration. If you're ever unsure, take the time to explore the Revisions panel. It's a great way to review your work and make thoughtful adjustments. If you have any questions or tips about managing WordPress that you'd like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.